Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Welcome, welcome. Let's get some work done in the yard. Here we go. I'm Sharon, and my YouTube channel is Sharon Shernill, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. A cool day out here today. This morning, but the sun is high, and the skies are blue, so it should be good. Thinking about what I should do today for my Tiny Tidy. There's so many projects I have on my list. I'm gonna go down the stairs, so I'm not gonna talk. But I think I'm gonna start over here. I think I said it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I have tidied up this area before, but it didn't work out, which is fine. So I want to tidy this up more and brick this off along here, and then I have red rocks back there, so I thought what I'd do is get more red rocks and just rock this all in. But it's got good soil here, so I want to get some of the soil out too. And my husband's going to come and help me move the swing and stuff, because it's just right in the way here. So we'll move this stuff all out of the way so I have a better area to work. So until he comes out to help me, I'm just going to drink my coffee. Okay. But first, I think I'll move these chairs out of the way. And if you stay till the end of my video, you will see our brand new umbrella. It's like 3 umbrellas in one. And we got it off of Wayfair. It didn't come with a stand. We had to buy that separate. But we bought this big umbrella for our deck and absolutely love the color. So if you want to see what color it is and what it looks like, it really works well on our deck. So stay till the end of the video and watch Dave open up this beautiful umbrella. That's a start. Well, I'd like to thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new here, if you would subscribe, if you like my content, that would be wonderful too. And just say hello and tell me where you're from and what you're up to this summer. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Okay, this is for my swing. I got it from the roof. I'm just going to tuck it in there. And this pot I would like to use. So, not sure where I want to put it. Okay, there, just go there. These planters, I decided next year I'm going to grow some veggies, so I'm going to use these planters as the beds for the veggies, and I was going to put them along my sidewalk there because that gets the most sun. and I think that'll work good. And my brilliant daughter came up with the idea of just turning them over and having the legs stick up, and that way I can grow vines on there, or I can just put netting between each leg and grow vines such as the beans and the peas and stuff like that. So I'm going to put this bed over here upside down. So we'll move this one. And I've got my pathway blocked, of course. Let's go this way. I think that's going to work. Yes, it is. This will be good. And I've got cardboard too. Okay. Cut it up, put it in there. Awesome. To show you my beautiful dahlia opened. And isn't she pretty? Oops. So today, if I get the bricks, I get these bricks moved, I think we'll be doing pretty good. Okay, there's a pile of bricks there too, so that's good. I thought I had more. So make too much noise. I'm going to get my wagon. I'm going to do. Sorry about all my huffing and puffing. Well, I am 72 years old, and I do love to work out in the yard and video, so I guess you're just gonna have to hear my huffing and puffing. Sorry about that anyhow. And don't forget, subscribe please. Leave me a thumbs up and say hello. buggy full of bricks. Okay, let's bring them out here. Now, in that corner, this corner over here, I'm going to put a lilac bush. But I want the bricks along. Oh, maybe I don't need them. Maybe I could start from here and go there. Anyhow, I'm just gonna lay them down and play with it and see what happens. See how many I have to work with. For now, I can put this big pot here. That's where the lilac bush is gonna go. Right there. Okay. Bring it out 2 and go down, I think. Let's try that. And I'll have to go in the ground, of course. I think that'll be good. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. And I'll just go as far as I can. Yeah, I think that'll be good. And I'll just go as far as I can with the bricks. And that's a start. Okay, let's lay the rest of the bricks down. See how far I can get. I'm hoping to the end of that, to the end of the stairs there. And the first thing I'm going to do is clean up this little area here. This got full of water. I'm actually going to cut some holes in it. That's easier said than done. It's not very good when you get holes in it. Okay, let's get these laid down. Well, sometimes it just takes sheer muscle to get things done. Anyhow, I am getting tired by this time, and this wagon's giving me trouble. But I figured it out, and I won. Anyhow, we'll get the rest of the bricks laid down. Well, these bricks are going to have to all be dug into the ground because I don't want to have a tripping hazard. So I'm going to dig them in, not in this video, it will be another video. And I'm going to dig them all in and level them out as best I can. Shouldn't be too hard. The soil in this lawn is pretty soft. So I'm just laying them out here to see if I'm going to like where I'm putting them. And I'm going to leave them there for a few days probably while I work on other projects and figure out what I'm going to do with this whole area. Plans could change, you never know. But so far, I'm just planning on putting red rock all around in there. So, hopefully we'll get that done. Okay, so I don't need too many more bricks. 1, 2, maybe 5 or 4. Might be able to take them out of the garden area. But I think this will look nice with all the red rocks and get the tools organized. Okay, found 4 more bricks. So I guess it'll go like that. And I'm hoping to build a little potting table for right here. And we'll just fill this all in with rock and plant a lilac bush. And this will look much better. And I'm hoping to get the tools hung up somehow, somewhere. That'll be my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. And I'll just keep on working on my yard, getting things done. Always something to do, which is great because it's always a work in progress. Okay, thank you again for watching my Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I really appreciate you clicking on my channel, and if you stayed this long, wow, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, well, see you all hopefully in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye.